In this video, we begin to look at Larson 9, Chapter 3, Section 3, and primarily we're talking about functions increasing and decreasing and all the things that go along with that. Just in general, a function increases is increasing, I should say, when it is going up from left to right. That's a very intuitive idea. You can see that this function is increasing here as we move from left to right. The function is going up to that point, and from which it starts to come down and then goes up again, and then will come down again after that. So when the function is going up from left to right, it's increasing. A function is decreasing when it is going down from left to right. Alright, now with this particular problem, what we're asked to do is, with these exercises, we're asked to find the largest open interval on which f is increasing, and then find the largest open interval on which f is decreasing. When it says open interval, we're talking about x values. We're looking for the widest interval of x values on which the function is going up or coming down. It's not asking us to find the largest jump up or the largest fall down. It's asking for the widest interval on which the function is going up or down. So in problem number 1, we can see, this looks pretty evident, that the function here is climbing for 6 units of x, and then falling, the widest interval appears to be from 6 to 8, going a 2-unit wide interval on which the function is decreasing. From 8 to 9 it's increasing, that's 1 unit, and from 9 to 10 it's decreasing. In number 2, the largest interval of increase, well, there's not much increase going on in this function. It seems that we have a width of 1 there and also a width of 1 over here, which are the largest intervals on which the function is increasing. Whereas decreasing, the function seems to be decreasing for the longest time on the interval from -2 up until, or it looks to be from -3 to +1. Kind of hard to read that, but that looks like an interval of 4, whereas the one here, where it's decreasing, is only 3 units wide. So the widest interval of increase in number 1 is from 0 to 6. The widest interval, or the largest open interval on which the function is decreasing in number 1, is from 6 to 8. Alright, one more thing that I will point out here, which is very important. When a function is increasing, its first derivative is always positive. And that works the other way as well. When a function's first derivative is positive, that function is always increasing. And the same holds true for decreasing. When a function is decreasing, its first derivative is always negative. And when a function's first derivative is negative, that function is always decreasing. So we'll come back again and again to these very basic ideas, but we'll stop this video at this point.